Hello, my name is Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how we get down. Had a wonderful customer who needed me to change the starter. That was what the customer paid me for. Well, lo and behold, the truck would not turn over after I did the starter. That had absolutely nothing to do with me. If you are a Dodge owner, you know that the fuel pump relay is in the TIPM. So what I did, what you could do, is you come down here. There is your fuel tank. Have somebody with a hammer smack all the way up and down while the person is trying to crank the car. If the truck cranks over, you need a fuel pump. Again, smack all the way in this area up and down while the person's trying to start. You need a fuel pump. Another way of knowing that there is a fuel issue is if you come over here and you spray starter fluid in this area and the truck cranks up, you have a fuel issue. You not start looking for sparks plugs and all that other stuff. This is just a mobile mechanic tip. You can also do the same thing to your starter if you're in a bind. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.